This is how to get UK WhatsApp. First of all, go to the website, type WhatsApp, then the country, type United Kingdom. You can go for any country, but we are going for UK. So you can see the price $2.6 for the activation code. Let's get the activation number. You can see this is our number we are going to use for WhatsApp. So the next step is to input the number on your phone and send a code through your phone. Okay, so I have sent the code. Okay, as you can see, we just received the WhatsApp code 735030. So copy it and paste it on your phone. So to fund the site, just go to fund and fund it. You can fund it with crypto, with a credit card, with Pay and other cryptocurrency. So that is how to get a WhatsApp number on your phone. Like, share, and subscribe.